Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here, and as you can tell, the Container Store is being my best friend. I think I'm about to work here, y'all, okay? Because this alpha is idealistic for me. I thought I could do this by myself, but these people in here are just knowledgeable. So anyway, I'm going to show you what my next project is going to be. And if you look over here, they got so many things. And right now it's 30% off, okay? And that includes installation or the items that you need to purchase. Here's my idea. Organization. Yeah. Do you see these? This is over the door. Okay, so I've got a lot of stuff added back up again, y'all. And I'm thinking, see this? You see this? I could put my books, but body washes? Yeah. So I'm going to get some help. Alrighty. So it looks like I'm going to have some help here getting this all organized. We were just talking about hangers, and she just said, looked at my little video for a second and said, hey, I see an idea. So I'm about to watch her take care of me here. And I'll be back. The person that helped me was Linda. She did a great job. She's showing me the under the counter thing. And I'm like, okay, I could put this under my sink and make it so much easier to get into it and get things. And not only that, these things come in different sizes. Now, y'all know I'm here to do my organization of my body bath stuff, but she showed me this, and I'm like, okay, now I got another project I'm going to work on. They have it on the floor, where if you don't have a counter to put it under, but then they also have it in this silver color, and they come in, or platinum, and they come in different sizes. So I just wanted to show y'all that real quick before we get into building the door rack. Okay, so to start this project off, you have to take the over the door hook and hook it in. So yes, this is my first time and I didn't think to ask questions. However, what's neat about this is that it gives you instructions. As you can see, step 1, that goes on there. Step 2, that goes there. Step 3, that goes there. Step 4, step 5. So yeah, we're about to try this out. We're going to see how simple it is. Okay, so the first half of that hook goes here. And at first, I wasn't sure if it was short enough. But what happened is that we end up having to move it down about 4 notches. And yes, it's over there, but we don't need the door to go inside. We just need it to be able to open and close, which I got a weird door anyway. Kind of off track, right? Okay, and then the bottom, as you can see, you had to hook it in here. Then once you got that hooked in, then you started adding your trays. And as you can see, we started adding the trays and started putting product on there. And then like the way they work is you lift them up. Well, when you put them in, you push them in and they kind of go down and fit into these little forms. And to get it out, it's kind of a lift up and out type thing. So I believe this entire unit, which was on sale at the Container Store, was pretty pricey. Actually, it wasn't too bad because everything was 30% off. So it was definitely under $100. So I got enough racks, and I got to clear my dresser, and now I can use my organizers for something else. All right, so all I got to do now is figure out how to pull off the sticker. Woo! All right, so here's also another idea. So this is the small mesh basket. I think it would be good for like makeup and things like that. And then it didn't matter about the holes on this one. And this was considered the large basket. And in these, you know, you just put little knickknacks and things in there. And then I do have some little pointers that go in there. These things here. And as you can see, the hook Goes up and then down. And that just secures it, and you can stick whatever else you need to stick on there. All right. So that is the organizer. And I still got room to add more if I want. And yeah, if you were watching, please hit the thumbs up button, comment below, send a message to the Container Store. Tell them you want to get an organizer too. This is SJ with Real Beauty, Real Food. Whew, Lord, this is real life. Done! Organized. All right, so I had to add a final update. I took it off of the back of the door of the closet because it was too close to my door entry closet. My door entry. So I put it on the inside of the closet. And now it's completed. And it's full. Now that's completed, y'all. Oh, and then, by the way, update on my closet organizer. I did it again. They had the Huggable hangers on sale. And I got them. These are really cool. They were 20% off. Excuse me. Sorry. They were 20% off. And they're by Joy. And it actually makes it look even better. So I'm really glad I did that. The lady, Linda, at the Container Store did a great job helping me. So yeah, if you ever get to go into the Overland Park location, make sure you say hi to Linda. Thanks for watching again, y'all. It's SJ. Have a good one.